Epidural good.
Yeah. Should get one.
Oh, yung epidural noon, nung tinurukan ako kay Clarissa, agad lalabas na, hindi ko na mapigil. Sabi ko, yan, lalabas na. Kung tinutusok pa lang, lalabas na eh. Napabilis.
You had 3 kids.
Kaya noon, talagang nandun pa sa kwarto, wala pa sa delivery.
Why is everybody here?
Napapigil.
Oh, it's because there's a new person here.
Hindi ko na mapigil, lalabas talaga na eh.
Brand new
Kaya
person.
yung cut ng ano, pag ganun-ganun. Hindi nila nakat kasi lalabas na, hindi ko na mapigil eh.
BB.
But they already saw it, right?
Yeah, we did. We might be discharged tomorrow already.
So you're off tomorrow then? Until when?
Until next month.
Next
April.
month? April? Nag-off ka ng 1 month?
Really? Paternity leave?
Ka ba?
Yeah, that's what my HR said.
Ha?
Yay!
So 25% of my salary.
They can do it, yeah. Really? Oh, that's good.
Okay.
You better ask. And you better come in our place later.
I have to buy new tires. My tires are really bald.
Pero kailan bang binyag?
We're supposed
Everybody
to
is
call today,
asking
right?
that. Filipino friends namin.
No, pero dapat yata hindi pa natalo yung bata.
Kat, how was it having a baby?
Nah, I
Hard.
don't
We
know.
wanna do the
It was a great experience. Epidural rocks. Everybody should have epidural.
Okay.
You know.
Take a picture of the baby.
You could experience.
And there's the proud papa.
Maganda ng kulay.
There, Mom, let me get right here.
epidural rocks.
Oh. You didn't have an epidural, did you, Roy?
I already have it.
Good
He
for
daddy
wifey,
fed
good
it
for
from it.
hubby.
Without the epidural, he was like,
And there's Grandma with her
We have 0 cocoa.
Look
granddaughter.
like grandmama.
Is that okay?
Might look like grandmama.
And then we'll have water for cats.
She's sleeping.
Yeah. Her color is getting better now. She has rosy cheeks. Wow. But don't do like that. You know, you're gonna get old easily. You're gonna
And now
have wrinkles.
she's got her forehead all wrinkled up like, I'm concentrating on this dream.
What time does Dad work?
You guys are bothering me.
Where did he come from?
Mm-hmm.